Today we will be showing you a townhome out here in downtown St. George, right next to Dixie High School. Let's go inside and check it out. When you walk through the home, you have a nice living area with vaulted ceilings. All the appliances are newer with solid surface countertops. In this townhome as well also has a nice large pantry. The master and the master bath are on the main level of this townhome. Let's go check out the second bedroom. I love this open second bedroom with the bathroom. It's super fun. For more information about this adorable townhome, you can check out our website at stgrentals.com. Thank you.